Hi there, it's Night Fox coming at you, this time with a first time VRChat upload. As always, I like to start out easy and simple and just start with the basics. This is just assuming you don't know how to even upload an avatar with VRChat. I'm just going to cover the basics real quick. I am not the first or the last to make a video like this. And since I don't know when you're going to be watching this, you're going to want to download VRChat's Creator Companion. That's at vrchat.com/home/download. Download the current Creator Companion and follow its instructions to whatever the most current version of Unity is when you're watching this. As of right now, the current Unity is 2022.3.22F1 as of me uploading this. And once you have an avatar that you want to use, you drag your avatar that you've downloaded into the assets folder here down below. And once it begins and finishes uploading, you'll want to find the folder if it's not already out here with the avatar's name. And you'll oftentimes either find an avatar like this or a scene of some sort. And you'll want to try to drag this into the hierarchy here because it will center it for you. And assuming you don't want to make any changes to the avatar at all and everything's good to go, you'll want to go ahead and click on your VRChat SDK at the very top. You'll log into your VRChat account where you'll show control panel, then you'll log in, and then you'll go to your builder. And then what you'll want to do is give your avatar a name, a description, and if it has any warnings, you'll need to list that. Your visibility, set a thumbnail to it, whatever platform you're doing, and make sure everything's good. If you see any problems, you'll want to try to fix them. And there's usually an auto fix for most common problems. And before uploading, you want to build and test. Only you can see that. And then once you've done all that, you click that, and then you'll upload that to VRChat, and you are good to go. It'll be in your uploads on your VRChat account, and that's all there really is to it. I wanted to keep this upload very simple, to the point, just so everyone knows the fundamentals before I get into anything more technical. I just figured I would really quickly cover the basics, especially for people who don't want to spend like 20 minutes watching a video just to do something you can do in like 3 minutes. Anyway, that's all I have for you today. If you want to support me, consider supporting me by visiting my ko-fi.com/nightfox3d. It helps me to make more content. I am also working on some DJ content. I don't know how far that will come, but stay tuned. I might upload it. I don't know. Consider subscribing, and as always, stay foxy.